Test out your strength. Take your hands down, and can the foot stay? 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on to the foot, let it soften. We're testing out that strength at the end range motion, not only using the hands, but making sure that we have strength and hip rotation. Hold it there for a moment. Give me a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now hold the foot to the ear. Maybe this is as far as you get. Reach over your head, hold the foot, pull, gliding through. Keep the right hand on the ground for a moment and just stay here. Breathe. 1, 2, wiggle. 3, 4, 5. Now engage the right hip flexors like you're pulling the foot down and see if you can hold. 2, 3, 4, release. Bring it off. All right, stretch out the leg. Talk to the right hip. You're okay. You did good.